You have been loving our color sticks. I have been loving our color sticks. Coral Gable is our newest in the beautiful line of color sticks for you to love. It's an orange. It's beautiful. I'm going to show you how to create this with that. Since this is such a minimal look, I want to show you the whole thing, start to finish. We're going to start with our Tinted Primer. Now this is a very light foundation. Since it is a primer, it holds so nicely onto all of your beautiful blushes and eyeshadows. So I'm going to put it everywhere I will be putting makeup, as well as using it as a foundation like normal. It is, oh seriously, it's just lovely, light. I'm using the medium. It converts to 109 and 110 if that's what you like to use in our other foundation colors. So the medium is perfect for that. Now I like to use it because I like that it gives me a little bit of a tan. I thought in this, like in the winter, I'd want to go back to 103, but I realized I really just like looking a little tanner. So 110 for life for me. I really enjoy it. Now I have beautiful glowing skin. You can see this foundation really just kind of just like gives a little extra glow, a little shine. It's so beautiful. Tinted Primer. I love you. We're going to move on to my eyebrows now. My favorite retractable eyebrow brush. I love this because it's easy to grab and you get your eyebrows done all with the same tool. Little light strokes. Fill in any empty spots I have. You know, I think we found that type 1s are the ones that mostly have the little hairs missing in their eyebrows. Just random connecting, disconnecting with their eyebrows there. So it's really a wise choice to have something to fill your eyebrows in. Okay, this right one is looking amazing. Let's see if I can make it look amazing on the left. Now I have my foundation on, my eyebrows, and all I need left is the Coral Gable, this beautiful orange color stick. And I'm going to dot it onto my eyelids. Just a lovely kind of a pinky orange. I'm going to go a little bit deeper with it because I really want that orange to pop up and look nice and bright. Okay, isn't that fun? Now I'm going to do the same thing with my lips. Yes, I'm using my same brush because who wants to reach in and grab another one? And I feel like this color stick can, you put it on like that, it can look a little chalky, but I found that if you use a little brush, it is not chalky and it just looks beautiful. Okay, now we're gonna put it on as a blush. I'm gonna use my foundation brush because we're trying to do minimal. Don't grab all those brushes in your makeup bin. Put it on my cheeks. Can you even? It just goes everywhere so beautifully. Okay. Rub that in a little bit. Okay, I can leave it just like this. I love it, but I'm going to add a little bit of shine to my eyes and to my lips with it. I've got our nude, our sheer nude lip gloss. Add a little sparkle there. And then I'm going to use our Queen eyeshadow and add a little sparkle to the middle of my eyes. Oh. Oh. Okay, you could totally keep it matte. Matte was beautiful. I like a little bit of shine, so I'm adding on those little touches. Coral Gable coming in clutch. I'm gonna use my Sienna. It's a brown eyeliner. Beautiful, beautiful. And my black brown mascara. Finish off the eyes. Ladies, I think this is a new go-to look. If anything, I love a quick and easy application. And this is the ticket. Your Coral Gable. Your gateway to the easiest makeup look you'll ever need.